So Kim told my mom she's like Miranda Priestley. And now she's really embraced her Miranda era. She literally added a second assistant because Miranda has 2.
Tell Domenico I need 4 looks for Milan, not 2. What are you waiting for?
We're all like, really, Mom?
It's 7 a.m., practically lunchtime. Why is no one ready?
And she has a new favorite word.
No.
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 We actually just need The Devil Wears Prada 2 to come out because right now she's fully living as Miranda.
I don't care if it's unreleased. I need the movie now. It's for my grandchildren. Go. Go.
It's totally out of control.
That's all.
I just love my job.
The Devil Wears Prada 2, this Friday.
No, seriously, she really thinks it's an audition.
Wait, it's not?
This is insane, right?